Here's some poll tax repeal trivia. Subscribe. What was the name of the tax that replaced the poll tax in Scotland? Is it A, residence tax, B, council tax, C, local tax, or D, community charge? The correct answer is B, council tax. Which event is widely seen as a catalyst for the abolition of the poll tax? Is it A, 1986 tax reforms, B, 1992 VAT increase, C, 1988 income tax, or D, 1990 poll tax riots? The correct answer is D, 1990 poll tax riots. What is the name of the Scottish Parliament that opposed the poll tax? Is it A, Welsh Assembly, B, Scottish Parliament, C, Irish Senate, or D, UK Parliament? The correct answer is B, Scottish Parliament. Which country first implemented the poll tax in the 1980s? Is it A, New Zealand, B, Canada, C, Australia, or D, United Kingdom? The correct answer is D, United Kingdom. What type of tax is the poll tax? Is it A, flat tax, B, income tax, C, progressive tax, or D, sales tax? The correct answer is A, flat tax. Which British political party opposed the poll tax? Is it A, Labour Party, B, British National Party, C, UK Independence Party, or D, Conservative Party? The correct answer is A, Labour Party. What was the main reason for the opposition to the tax? Is it A, too high rate, B, inequitable burden, C, political favoritism, or D, unfair distribution? The correct answer is B, inequitable burden. Who was the Chancellor of the Exchequer during the introduction of the poll tax? Is it A, Geoffrey Howe, B, Gordon Brown, C, Alistair Darling, or D, Nigel Lawson? The correct answer is D, Nigel Lawson. Which famous protest took place in Trafalgar Square in 1990? Is it A, Olympic protest, B, anti-war march, C, poll tax riot, or D, suffragette rally? The correct answer is C, poll tax riot. Which government policy did the poll tax help to undermine? Is it A, Conservative Party popularity, B, Brexit negotiations, C, National Health Service, or D, Labour Party funding? The correct answer is A, Conservative Party popularity. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.